Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you what Salesforce is and how to navigate its core features. Salesforce is a powerful customer relationship management platform that helps sales teams track leads, manage accounts, and close deals more efficiently. Let's walk through the basics so you can start using it with confidence. First, open your web browser and navigate to login.salesforce.com. Once you're on the login page, type your username in the username field, then enter your password in the password field below it. Click the login button to access your Salesforce account. This gets you into the platform where all your sales data lives. After logging in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see the app name showing Sales next to the Salesforce Cloud logo. This confirms you're in the Sales app, which is the primary workspace for managing your sales pipeline. Next, check the navigation bar and confirm the Home tab is highlighted. This means you're on the seller homepage, your central dashboard for daily activities. Scroll down to review the various tiles displayed on your homepage. You'll see options like Close Deals, Plan My Accounts, Grow Relationships, Build Pipeline, My Goals, and Today's Events. These tiles give you a quick summary of your pipeline and upcoming activities. Click View Opportunities in the Close Deals tile to open your opportunities list, which shows all the deals you're working on. Similarly, click View Accounts in the Plan My Accounts tile to open your accounts list, and click View Contacts in the Grow Relationships tile to access your contacts list. These shortcuts make it easy to jump directly to the information you need. Now let's create a new account record. Click the Accounts tab in the top navigation bar. On the Accounts page, click New to start creating a new account. Type an account name, for example, Test Company, in the Account Name field, then click Save to create the account. This is how you add new businesses or clients to your system. If you need to search for a specific record, click the search box at the top of the page. Type the record name, for example, a contact name. In the search box, click the matching record in the search. Results drop down to open it directly. This search feature helps you find information quickly without navigating through multiple pages. Finally, let's explore the app launcher. Click the grid icon, also called the app launcher, in the top left of the page to open the App Launcher panel. Click View All at the bottom of the panel to open the full App Launcher page. Here you'll see a search box labeled Search Apps or Items that lets you find an app by name. Scroll through the All Apps section to see tiles such as Sales, Inside Sales, Sales Leader, Success Manager, Sales Operations, Sales Console, Your Account, Digital Experiences, Usage, Approvals, Bolt Solutions, and Automation. Click any app tile name, for example, Sales or Sales Console, to switch to that app and load its tabs in the top navigation bar. This gives you access to different workspaces depending on your role. You've now covered the essential features of Salesforce and can navigate the platform confidently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.